We have some very, very high winds. I would estimate they're at least 50 miles an hour. Having a hard time holding onto the railing here. It's coming down. I have zero visibility. I am totally soaked. Rainfall rate is extreme. And high winds. Holy smokes! It is really, really windy. Oh my gosh, I'm flooding. It's just, the water, I'm soaked. All the beams, everything's getting filled up here on the roof. Water is now going down onto the field. Nothing I can do about it. Holy smokes. I can't see anymore. Holy mackerel. The wind. Oh my gosh.